Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this section I'm going to show you how to use uh, 4-hour time frame FVG as a key level while drawing CRT. So we have a 4-hour fair value gap right there, and our CRT candle just closed inside the 4-hour fair value gap, so we're expecting some reversal. So first of all, you mark the CRT high and the CRT low. So after marking the CRT high and CRT low, you scale down to lower time frame like 15 minutes to see what is actually happening in the 15 minutes and see any kind of reversal that's maybe happening in the lower time frame. So as you can see, we first have the inverted fair value gap right there. First of all, there is also a sweep on the CRT high. So that means that the liquidity that is in the candle range high is already swept. And also we can spot the inverted fair value gap right there. That shows a clear sign of reversal. So what you're looking for right now is the change in state of delivery to confirm that the market has actually reversed. So right there we can see that the market has shown us the change in state of delivery. There is a break in a series of high close candles. So right now we are going to look for an entry. So the first entry, you can use the CRT entry model 1. We can see there is a order block there, so we can enter right below the order block, stop above the order block, and target the CRT low. But before we target CRT low, we always take partials at the 0.5 level of the CRT candle. That's why we're gonna draw like that and add. Yeah, that is the TP1. So we're gonna wait for TP1 is hit and TP2 right now has been hit. And in this next part of this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to use lower buy side and sell side liquidity as our kill level. Remember, this is the 1-hour CRT on USD CHF. So first of all, you mark the 4-hour sell side liquidity like that, and then you mark the CRT high and the CRT low. So what you're expecting is the market to sweep the CRT low and also sweep the 4-hour sell side liquidity right there before it reverses. So we zoom into the lower time frame, that is 15 minutes, to see any kind of reversal or sweep. So first of all, we have swept the lower CRT, the CRT low, and the 4-hour sell side liquidity right there, and you can see the market is reversing. So first of all, there is a turtle soup right there. Yeah, then after that we can also see that that is the turtle soup. Let's first mark out the turtle soup like that. Yeah, then there is a sweep in the low in the 4-hour sell side liquidity, and also there is a sweep on the CRT low. Yeah, that is it. Then now to confirm the reversal, first of all, we're going to mark the inverted fair value gap right there. So when the market closes above the inverted fair value gap, it shows that it starts now disrespecting the bearish fair value gap, and it's focusing is yet confirmed that the market is now going bullish. Okay, so we enter above the fair value gap and target the CRT high. Okay, and of course, as you all know, we always target TP1 at the middle of the CRT candle, and then the full TP at the opposite side of the CRT. So that is the CRT high, and that's how we hit the TP. And lastly, this is for CRT on GBP USD. That is a 5 a.m. CRT candle. Okay, so first we're gonna mark the 4-hour buy side liquidity. Okay, that is the buy side liquidity that we have on the 4-hour time frame. So after marking the 4-hour buy side liquidity, we're gonna mark also the CRT candle high and low. And guys, remember that we're expecting the market to sweep both the CRT high and low, no, not CRT high, like CRT high, then also sweep the 4-hour buy side liquidity. Okay, yeah, to confirm that the market is reversing before the market reverses, because there is a lot of liquidity held above the CRT candle and above that 4 hour CRT candle, 4 hour buy side liquidity, I mean. Okay, so we zoom into the lower time frame, that is 15 minutes. Remember, when you when the candle is on the 4 hour, you go to the 15 minutes. When it's in 1 hour, you go to 5 minutes. So we can see right there that the market has already swept the CRT high, as you can see. Okay, and also has swept the 4 hour buy side liquidity. Yeah, so what you're gonna be looking next is to see any reversal confirmation, and we can see the fair value gap, inverted fair value gap right there being disrespected, like the bullish fair value gap being disrespected. That means that the market is now going bearish, and again we have the change in state of delivery right there. The market is expecting the series of up close candles. That means the market is reversing. So we're gonna use the CRT model 3, entry model 3, that is changing set of delivery as our entry model. Stop above the inverted fair value gap and target the CRT low. But before that, also remember, we do take partials at the 0.5 level of the CRT candle. Yes, like that. And that's how you do it. We hit our full TP right there. So for more tutorials, make sure you hit the subscribe button.